So which portion is completed? Check it. EC2, right? CLI, MFA, then storage, BPC, RDS, IAM, Lambda. Maybe small topic is there, maybe. Say in BPC one VPN connectivity is there, ACL is there. Within this VPN ACL, still it is there. IAM completed, but within IAM you have to complete, yes, in EC2 also, number of assignments. Okay, I am going to send tomorrow all the assignments, so please try it. Next, we have to complete Rout53, that is nothing but a DNS, domain naming service. Domain naming service using which protocol? TCP as well as UDP, and port number 53. So Rout53. EBS, no, it is not volume. You already know elastic block storage, but this is elastic bin stock, elastic bin stock, another service. CloudFront, edge location, outpost, local zone. Today we are going to cover this portion. Within this, other than Rout53, these are important for interview and job also. Okay, other than Rout53 basically they are not going to ask, because it is completely different types. And next class, that is on Monday, CloudWatch, CloudTrail, CloudFormation, SNS we already check it with Lambda. We have to check SQS, SES. Okay, here CloudWatch, CloudTrail is most important. CloudFormation is not so important. हाँ नहीं, CloudWatch के अंदर अभी भी है, बहुत कुछ है. जैसे EC2 एक बना लिया मतलब EC2 नहीं हुआ ना, लोड बैलेंसर है, ऑटो स्केल है, उसी तरह CloudWatch में भी बहुत कुछ है. So today our target is first Rout53, then EBS, elastic beanstalk, CloudFront, edge location, outpost, local zone. And desktop 9 AM status. Chalo, let's start. Rout53. What is Rout53? It is nothing but a DNS. Whenever we launch any website, our website name suppose www.abcd.com. Okay, so end user, when they are going to use www.abcd.com, what happen? How page is going to open? They mention abc.com. So first time your machine asks to DNS, okay, please provide me the IP address of abc.com. Okay, this machine IP address. So inside of DNS we are going to insert all the informations. Okay, so we have to check how to register one domain and how to insert the domain information in DNS, so that whenever any end user they are going to use this name, this FQDN, it is going to ask to DNS, and DNS is going to provide, okay, abc.com means this one, this is the IP address. Public IP should be public IP. In your machine, in your laptop, whenever you access internet, this Wi-Fi router is going to provide IP address, okay, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. Normally it is going to provide two DNS. Suppose if your Wi-Fi is going to apply this IP address and subnet mask, it is equivalent to /24, right? Now it is going to provide gateway. Gateway means the IP address of your Wi-Fi, because first it is going to hit from my machine to Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi to next, ultimate our ISP room to worldwide. And DNS, normally it is going to provide this one, because it is going to redirect to DNS of ISP. Manually you can set this DNS or this DNS. So minimum requirement IP, subnet, gateway, DNS. Suppose you are pinging google.com, it is pinging, okay, success report. But when you try to open the page is not going to open. Why? Because of problem of DNS. Now whenever any end user asks to DNS character is two types. One is iteration or iteration. What is the meaning? I ask one question to DNS, please provide me the IP address of abc.com. DNS is going to provide if it is there. If it is not there, DNS is going to send back, I don't know. Okay, what is the report? I don't know. So then from my laptop, it is going to ask to alternate DNS. So normally we are using minimum 2-3 DNS. So DNS has the result, DNS return it. If there is no result, DNS not going to return it. I don't know. Okay. This is known as iteration or iteration. Another option is the recursive DNS query. Recursive means when I ask to DNS, DNS has no result. So DNS is going to ask another DNS, please provide me this answer. Okay. This type of DNS known as recursive DNS. That is, DNS is going to take the responsibility to resolve the domain name to IP address, either from this DNS or from another DNS, right? Now again, DNS is different type: master DNS, slave DNS, or primary DNS, secondary DNS. Another DNS, relay DNS. I am asking this DNS automatically relay it to another DNS. Okay. So different types. DNS is a vast subject. But for your case, DNS is not part of your job. Completely dedicated people are there for DNS purpose. And worldwide, around 20 to 23 top level DNS is there. These are all known as dot DNS. When we are writing www.google.com, actually after that com also one dot is there at the end, but we didn't use it. Okay. So that dot DNS, more than 20, 21 or 23 some DNS is there worldwide. This is known as top level DNS, and it is going to maintain by IEEE. That is one concern in US, just like in India, TRI. They are going to manage everything of that DNS, and this is known as root DNS or top level DNS. Fine. DNS related informations. Now, how to register one DNS address? See, you cannot register one DNS address like google.com, because it is already used. Okay, you have to choose something new. So check it. domain name registration. You can register through GoDaddy, Hostinger, Namecheap, different options are there. एक डोमेन नेम .com तो वो तो तुम ले सकते हो, किस तरह का डोमेन है तुम्हारा, कमर्शियल है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ठीक है, लेकिन एक डोमेन नेम, एक वेबसाइट के लिए एक नेम चाहिए, वो यूनिक होना चाहिए, उसे बोलता है डोमेन नेम. So from any site you can continue it. I am showing, suppose I am moving to Namecheap, I am going to search. google.com डोमेन नेम है, उसी को URL बोलता है, पूरा को उसी को FQDN बोलता है, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. DNS सेम नहीं है, DNS एक सर्विस है और वो है डोमेन नेम. जैसे तुम्हारा नाम है, इसका नाम है, मेरा नाम है, ये एक नेम. अभी इस नेम को हम सर्च कर रहे हैं कहीं पर, ठीक है, कहाँ पर सर्च कर रहे हैं, कहीं सर्च कर रहे हैं, मान लो गूगल में सर्च कर रहे हैं, तो ये डोमेन नेम जहाँ पर सर्च कर रहे हैं वो है DNS. DNS के पास पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन होता है. अभी ये तो ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम नहीं है, आपने कुछ वेबसाइट बनाया, उसका डोमेन लिया, तो आपको DNS में एंट्री करना है, ठीक है. आप GoDaddy से लिया तो GoDaddy ने एंट्री कर देगा, तो GoDaddy ने एंट्री कर दिया, उसके बाद 3 दिन लगता है मैक्सिमम, 72 आवर्स. उसके अंदर उस DNS से सभी जितना DNS है ना वर्ल्ड में, सभी में वो स्प्रेड हो जाता है. DNS एक सर्विस, फोन डायरेक्टरी नहीं है. DNS एक सर्विस, एक सर्विस है. जैसे कि आपने लाइनक्स में किया था ना, वेब सर्वर किया था ना, EC2 में वेब सर्वर किया था, वो एक सर्विस. EFS किया था, NFS इक्विवेलेंट, वो एक सर्विस, ठीक है. ये सब एक सर्विस होता है जो OS के अंदर चलता है. तो मैं आई एम गोइंग टू सर्च, सपोज IT square .com. Let's search it. This domain is available or not. So it will show that itsq.com registered in 2000. 2000 में किसी ने रजिस्टर कर लिया इसको. So itsq.ai you can utilize it. .gg, different options. इस दुनिया में फ्री में कुछ मिलता है? जहर भी फ्री में नहीं मिलता है, ठीक है. ये जो लोग बोलते हैं ना बाई 1 गेट 1 फ्री, वो फ्री नहीं है. वो दोनों का जो कॉस्ट होता है पकड़ लिया, उसमें लोग को उल्लू बनाता है, लोग उसके पीछे भागते हैं. मॉल में जाता है, अरे भाई एक ले लो, एक फ्री है, ले लिया, दिल खुश हो गया. देखो itsq.com, ये ITSQ XYZ कितना लगेगा, देखो यहाँ दिखा रहा है पर ईयर कितना लगता है, अपने हिसाब से ले सकते हो. .info, ठीक है. ऐसे कोई डोमेन ऐड टू कार्ट ऑनलाइन जैसे परचेस होता है, सेम एज यू कैन परचेज इट. ये कंपनी डिसाइड करता है. मान लो ITSQ इन्फो यहाँ ये बोल रहा है कि रिटेलर के लिए 2000 समथिंग, GoDaddy जिसको बोल रहा है 3000 में देंगे. बिरयानी खाते हो? यहाँ बहुत सारा बिरयानी मिलता है, 100 रुपया भी मिलता है, 500 रुपया भी मिलता है. IT कौन डिसाइड करता है कितना कॉस्ट होगा? उसका ओनर. ये भी, ये मैंने कहाँ गया, नेमचिप जो चला रहा है उसने ठीक किया. GoDaddy में जाओगे तो वो ठीक करेगा, ठीक है. सो राइट नाउ इन AWS, if I move to Rout53, so Rout53 reliable way to route users to internet applications. Internet application means your net based application, website applications, So get started. You can check few pricing and FAQ and this video. So within this DNS, what we are going to learn? Register a domain, how to register. You can register this domain from AWS also, but it is costly. And another one is create a hosted zone. Okay, this is your requirement. Other portion is not your part. So registered domain same as Namecheap, GoDaddy. You just move and registered. Create hosted zone. After registered, now what to do? Suppose you registered one particular domain name. Now we have to inform to DNS, right? Get started. So create a hosted zone. Suppose I am going to create itsq99.in. ठीक है? Description optional. Public hosted zone. Public hosted zone means internet related possible. Private means internal only. Tag not required, not necessary. So create hosted zone. So it is going to create one hosted zone. What it is going to create? The same name, NS and SOA, two records. NS means naming service. This naming service from these machines. These are the different options are there. Okay, different core DNS type. Okay, so from here they are going to help you. And another one is SOA, startup authority. Without authority, it is not allowed to open any website. Sometimes you check it when you try to open a new website, some security breach is there, still you want to open, then click it. Okay, this is basically HTTP, and these are not registered domain. Okay, sometimes registered should be, but security issues are there. So startup authority means I registered my domain to top level domain related, right? After that, this is by default is going to create. Now suppose you create your website. Your website is itsq.in. How to open? Either www.itsq99.in, or nowadays that is also possible. Suppose itsq.itsq99.in, that is any name. CCNA site, cisco.ccna.com. Okay, CCNP site, cisco dot, company name dot. Previously only www. Nowadays anything you can manage. So we have to add one records here. Okay, this is two records by default and it is hosted zone. Now create record. We have to create record. This is my domain, check it. And this is known as subdomain actually. Root name, actual root name. Suppose my server name is my server. You can utilize my svr.itsq. You can mention here most common www, right? Now this is a record. A record means this address. This is domain itsq99.in, that is domain, and fully www.itsq.in, this is known as FQDN, fully qualified domain name. This is this domain. A means address, IPv4 address. Mention here your address, public IP. You have to purchase on public IP. Okay, or if you are going to launch it in GoDaddy's website, web server, they are going to manage everything. So here we have to mention our public IP. Okay, then time to live. Whenever it is going to search, it is going to search maximum 300 seconds, 5 minutes. Okay, suppose I am trying to open one website and my DNS is searching 1 hour, 2 hour, it is searching. That is not desired. Our requirement, search it within 300. Otherwise, tell me that page cannot be displayed or anyhow, any problem. Right? Next option is routing policy. This is sometimes in interview you may face this question. Okay, interviewer, they may ask this question: what are the different types of routing is possible in DNS in Route 53? Simple routing, we are going to choose simple routing. Simple routing means I ask to DNS what is the IP address of this domain, DNS directly provide me the IP address. Now machine is moved to that, and that control is moved to that particular IP and fetch the page content. Next option, weighted. Suppose my web server is running on two machines. One machine load is 10%, another machine load is 20% right now. Okay, 10 people connected in this web server, 20 people connected in this server. So DNS is going to provide me, depends on weight, first one, because load is very less. 10 people are there, here 20 people. This type of number of options are there. Okay, geolocation, mostly this is one important. See, we are using Google from where? India. So we are going to open Google page from Google server. Where it is? Singapore based server is there. One person from US, their Google server in US only. Understand? So Google different server is there. So first, when it is going to check the end users from India, so nearby locations, that is geolocations. Okay, this type of different options are there. We are going to use simple routing. Then create the record. So record is created. This is www a record, and this is the IP. Okay, this is your important options. Now suppose your page, your website is running on a machine, that is true, but not a single machine, multiple machine. Okay, and before that multiple machine क्या चाहिए? अगर मल्टीपल मशीन में वेब सर्वर चल रहा है तो क्या चाहिए? लोड बैलेंसर. तो DNS, when I am going to ask this website provide me the IP address, DNS is going to provide the address of that load balancer, because I have to reach to load balancer. Then load balancer is take the decision which machine. Okay, so how to mention here if it is load balancer based? I just delete the record which I added. Fine. Now what is my target? I am going to add one more record, but this time our website is running behind load balancer. So www a record and CNAME. This CNAME a record is mostly used. MX for mail server purpose. PTR is just opposite direction, reverse DNS. Reverse. Basically in DNS what we are going to provide, this is my website, that is domain, and this is the IP. PTR means opposite. This is the IP and this is the domain. So right now here we have to use, our website is running, our web server is running behind load balancer. So we have to use here alias. Now choose endpoint. Endpoint is my application load balancer. Then choose region, Mumbai. Then it is going to ask the load balancer name. Right now we have no load balancer, so you have to choose your load balancer name, then simple routing and add it. Fine, if it is load balancer. Sometimes another options are there, www.itsq99.in. this is worldwide. See, google.com, it is worldwide, but actually their website name is different. Internally they are using. So whenever we are going to ask google.com, it is going to redirect to google.com to something different, one domain to another domain, redirect one domain to another domain. Okay, so that time we have to use CNAME, routes traffic to another domain name and to some AWS resource. So this time in CNAME we have to mention here www.abc.com. Actually User, they are using itsq99.in, but internally it is going to redirect to this site. Okay, whenever they search this one, DNS is going to internally redirect to this. Understand? So this address related some IP is there. This is security purpose. They are not going to open their website details. So CNAME A, 4A means it is IPv6, MX for mail server, PTR. Sometimes they may ask, can you tell me few record type of DNS or Rout53? So A record, it is going to hold the address of that particular domain. A, that is the same as A but IPv6. A is for IPv4. After that, CNAME, canonical name, when one type of masking. Okay, so it is traffic is another domain. Okay, I am hitting someone, I am knowing this is the website, but actual name is different. Okay, and then MX for mail server purpose, PTR, it is just opposite, map an IP address to a domain name. Here it is domain name to IP address, here it is just opposite. Okay, then once everything is over, now this too, this is your hosted zone. First we have to create one zone in DNS, so we have to delete this zone. If I delete this zone, first you have to delete your own record and then delete this zone. So this zone is going to delete. It is clear. Fine.
So sir, in real time, what is the use R53 only hosting the website any server?
Not only website application, Flipkart, your banking, net banking, Amazon, these are also application, but web based application. So without DNS it is not possible. Otherwise you have to remember the IP address of that. Okay, which IP is going to use. Sometimes they are not going to use a fixed IP.
So suppose once Flipkart approach any person, any company to that okay my website needs to be washed. So it can't approach another company. Once it is fixed, okay, this company will be serving us the wash.
Fixed मतलब?
हाँ? Fix means जैसे सर हम सिर्फ आपसे बात कर चुके एक बार कि भाई मेरा काम है ये डोमेन को बंद करना, तो फिर दोबारा और किसी के साथ तो नहीं हम बोल सकते हैं या फिर
नहीं, एक बार बस हो गया तो हो गया। आपका कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, आप एक हॉस्पिटल में गया, ऑपरेशन करा लिया,
हाँ,
तो क्या दूसरा हॉस्पिटल फिर जाएंगे ऑपरेशन कराने के लिए?
बट इसमें क्या होता है सर, अभी जो आईटी इंडस्ट्री में है कभी कुछ पार्ट ऑफ द वर्क है कि इस कंपनी को देते हैं, पार्ट ऑफ द वर्क इस कंपनी को, तो जो
ये कोई तो जॉब नहीं है, ये तो सिर्फ वेबसाइट को लॉन्च करना है।
दिस
आप
कवर द प्रोजेक्ट ना सर।
ये कोई प्रोजेक्ट कुछ नहीं है।
तो फिर अगर मान लिया हम AWS पे काम कर रहे हैं तो हाउ वी विल यूज Rout53, हाउ इट विल
अगर आपका कंपनी कुछ वेबसाइट करना चाहता है, ठीक है, तो वेबसाइट को रखेंगे का वर्ल्ड वाइड तो सबको चाहिए ना, तो वेबसाइट को रखेंगे का
वेबसाइट के बैकग्राउंड में कैसे वर्क है?
हाँ,
वेबसाइट के बैकग्राउंड में कैसे वर्क कौन कर रहे हैं? कंपनी कर रही है, मैंने कंपनी का वेबसाइट बता देता हूँ।
कंपनी का वेबसाइट वो डेवलप हो गया,
हाँ,
ठीक है, एक मशीन में आपने चेक कर लिया, एक मशीन में आपने उसको दिया, ब्राउजर खोला, चेक हो गया, जैसे मैंने दिखाया था वेब सर्वर कैसे। अभी इसको वर्ल्ड वाइड पाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? क्या करेंगे?
DNS और
नहीं, नॉट ओनली DNS, आपको किसी मशीन में उसको देना है,
हाँ,
आपके घर में कोई
होस्ट करना है उसको सर, रिकॉर्ड आईडी वगैरह ये सब देखना
आपको घर में देना है, आपके घर में एक वेब सर्वर बना के उसको लॉन्च करना है, और नहीं तो उसको लॉन्च कीजिए GoDaddy में या दूसरा कोई वेब सर्वर जो सपोर्ट देता है, ठीक है। तो आपने अगर दूसरों में कर दी तो ये DNS का पूरा झंझट वो लोग करते हैं,
खत्म। हाँ,
ठीक है, आपको सिर्फ साल का पैसा देना है, और आपने अपने घर में किया अपना वेब सर्वर, अभी क्या करें? अभी आपको DNS का एंट्री करना है, ठीक है ना, आपका डोमेन का तो एंट्री करना है, तो DNS में जाएंगे और एंट्री करेंगे। आपने कहाँ वेब सर्वर बनाया? मान लीजिए AWS में बनाया, एक इंस्टीट्यूट, तो इसका Rout53 में जाकर बताया, ठीक है। मान लीजिए आपने अपना सर्वर में किया, तो तो आप GoDaddy या किसी से भी बात कीजिए, जिससे डोमेन खरीदा आपने उससे बात कीजिए, वो लोग आपका DNS एंट्री कर देगा। ठीक है,
मतलब अगर खुद से करना चाहे होस्ट तो रूट 53 यूज करें।
नहीं नहीं, अगर आप AWS में करेंगे तो रूट 53 का।
हाँ मतलब AWS के थ्रू।
ठीक है, तो आपका वेब सर्वर का डिटेल्स आपको रूट 53 को बताना है। अगर आपका वेब सर्वर लोड बैलेंसर यूज कर रहा है तो आपको लोड बैलेंसर बताना है, जैसे बताया, मतलब रूट 53 में जाकर बताना है, तभी ना एंड यूजर को मिलेगा, वो लिखेगा www this तो पेज आएगा, नहीं तो पेज ही नहीं आएगा। ठीक है,
और 53 का ऐसा पोर्ट
53 इसका पोर्ट है और ये रूट ही दिखाता है ना, रास्ता दिखाता है,
हाँ रास्ता
इसलिए रूट 53 इन्होंने नाम दिया है। DNS का एक्चुअल पोर्ट नंबर 53 है। तो ये हो गया आपका DNS कंसेप्ट। EBS, इलास्टिक बिन स्टॉक। व्हाट इज दिस इलास्टिक बिन स्टॉक? सपोज डेवलपमेंट टीम,
सर TCP
वो तो उसका प्रोटोकॉल है,
कहाँ पे यूज करेंगे?
वो बाय डिफॉल्ट प्रोटोकॉल यूज करता है, TCP UDP 53 पोर्ट, वो 54 यूज नहीं करेगा। और दोनों प्रोटोकॉल होता है, TCP और UDP, ट्रांसमिशन के लिए दोनों प्रोटोकॉल यूज होता है, TCP और UDP। OSI लेयर थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे, उसके अंदर TCP UDP आ जाएगा। हाँ, और उसका TCP UDP का अंतर क्या है वो भी वहाँ पर मिलेगा आपको। हैंड शेकिंग मेथड है और एक हैंड शेकिंग मेथड नहीं है। ठीक है, इलास्टिक बिन स्टॉक, व्हाट इज दिस? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। दिस इज बेसिकली ओनली फॉर डेवलपमेंट पर्पस and web based development purpose. It is not for production server. So what is this elastic beanstalk? Suppose you are as a cloud engineer, you are working as a cloud engineer and your developer team, they send one tickets, they send one requirements. Okay, what are the requirements? Their requirement is 2 machines, one S3, in that machine Python installed, in one machine MySQL install, connectivity, okay, S3, these are everything in a personal, one VPC. These are the requirement, this type of different requirements. Now it is your duty, you have to create the infra. Now when you are going to create the infra, it will take some time. You are going to create 2 EC2, installation of Python, installation of MySQL, S3 connectivity with this EC2, VPC. Okay, so it will take some time. So AWS, they develop one another service which is known as elastic beanstalk. This beanstalk is going to create the same infra on behalf of you. आपका हेडेक कम कर दिया। ठीक है, तो EBS is going to create the same infrastructure as per your requirements. Okay, infra, software, database, everything, one shot, and it will take maximum 15 minutes. आप बनाने जाएंगे तो आपको लगेगा 2-4 घंटा, फिर भी कुछ गड़बड़ भी हो सकता है, प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, ये ऑटोमेटिक कर देगा। आपने किया, कनेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, इंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा है, कनेक्टिविटी नहीं आ रहा है, हजारों प्रॉब्लम, बट हियर इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीट बाय विद इन 15 मिनट्स बाय इलास्टिक beanstalk. इससे भी और एक फायदा है, इलास्टिक beanstalk इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, मतलब यू कैन यूटिलाइज इलास्टिक beanstalk विदाउट एनी कॉस्ट, लेकिन यू हैव टू पे फॉर दैट. व्हाट? the elastic beanstalk is going to create the resource like EC2, S3. You have to pay for the EC2, S3. Okay, this is one type of service. So elastic beanstalk, that is used for development purpose, only for web based development purpose. Okay, check it. Elastic beanstalk, run and manage web app. ये फुल्ली नहीं होगा, फिर भी देख लीजिए. एंड टू एंड वेब एप्लीकेशन मैनेजमेंट. ओके, create application, check it. There's no additional charge for elastic beanstalk. You pay for the Amazon Web Service resources that is created by the elastic beanstalk. Okay, so इसका थोड़ा ये FAQ पढ़ लेना. You must go through this FAQ, each and every topic related FAQ. Now create application. So web server environment name, environment information, environment name is this. You can mention any domain or automatically it is going to accept some domain testing purpose. Platform, which platform? Suppose my platform is Python version and others. Sample application, right now you have sample application, or upload your code. Okay, I'm choosing sample application. Single instance, it is free tier eligible. Single instance, spot instance, that is your requirement is high-end machine, then you have to choose from spot. High-end machine bus minimum cost. High availability, that is multiple machine with load balancer. High availability using spot and on-demand instance, that is different type of instance. And custom configuration, best option in industry we are choosing custom configuration, but right now single instance only. Okay, free tier. So next, it is going to ask number of things. Use an existing service role, you have to add one role here. EC2 key pair, that EC2, because it is going to create one EC2 na, you have to pass the key pair, you have to pass some role, predefined role, EC2 instance profile. After that, next, again it is going to ask which database. So one by one it is going to ask all the informations, you have to provide it, and then ultimate it will take 15 minutes and it is going to create all the resources. ठीक है, एक बार ट्राई करके देख लेना. Cloud front, what is this? Suppose any company is Delhi or Calcutta base. Okay, that
Request. What is this and why it is required in company?
which one?
Means कोई भी topic अगर आप
Hmm.
so that कि जब तक problem नहीं आता ना so
हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ, फिर भी कभी नहीं बताया तो पूछ लीजिएगा. ठीक है.
क्यों हम यूज करते हैं?
क्लाउड फ्रंट, मान लीजिए कोई कंपनी, एनी कंपनी, इट इज दिल्ली बेस्ड कंपनी और कैलकाटा बेस्ड कंपनी, they launch their website in AWS Mumbai branch. Okay, now when this website going to access from Mumbai within 1 second, access from Bangalore, Chennai 2-3 seconds, from Hyderabad 4-5 seconds, from Calcutta around 10 seconds, because distance. So this is known as latency, right? So companies started launch their website in Mumbai, but when they are going to access, because their business is all India based, now when they try to access it from different city, depends on the distance and others, some latency is there. Okay, now how to reduce this latency? That is CloudFront. So after launching the website through CloudFront, we are going to update, or we are going to inform to AWS, this is my website, this is the site details, everything. Okay, CloudFront, that is a form, we have to fill up it, that is we are informing to AWS, you please copy this website content from Mumbai to Calcutta, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Okay, that is local location. So from Calcutta, when I am going to open the page, it is going to open from Calcutta only, not from Mumbai. So what is the concept, internal concept? CloudFront is just request. One form I am going to fill up. So AWS is going to copy my website content to Calcutta, Delhi, different city. Now where it is going to? Because in Delhi, Calcutta, there was nothing from AWS. No region, nothing. But AWS is going to maintain some edge location. Edge location means caching server. You have idea, caching server. When I open any site in my machine, suppose first time I open one site, it is going to cache in my memory.
So that in
Next time when I am going to open, it is going to only from here, from my machine. Okay, caching server means temporary one storage, caching memory wise, cache memory वही same. ठीक है. So it is edge location. It is not like caching, but type of caching. Edge location means AWS is going to provide one server with huge space in Calcutta, in Delhi, in Chennai, Bangalore, in Mumbai also. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai West, Mumbai East, Mumbai South, different location. So this type of edge location EDGE, edge means the side, the end point. Okay. So edge location, that is the end points. So this location is going to set it by AWS. And CloudFront, that is the request form. So please copy my this website to all the edge locations. Now AWS is going to copy it, but nobody is going to manually copy it. Automated system is there. Once I fulfill the CloudFront that form, what happen? Internally request is going to generate, and AWS is going to copy the content from to. That from to using which internet or which connectivity, that is known as AWS backbone connectivity. That is AWS fiber optic connectivity is there. Okay, AWS is going to use Reliance fiber optic or Airtel fiber optic. They are going to pay for that. Okay, rent basis.
So we have to put the location name.
We have to put in CloudFront everything. I am going to show it CloudFront. Now what happened? Once I put it, AWS is going to copy from region to edge locations. कैसे? Using which network? AWS backbone. That is their own internet, own network. It is not public internet. Okay, so it is going to copy from there to there, and that is known as CDN, content delivery network. CDN, content delivery network. Okay, let's check it. First you try to check it. AWS edge location. In India, Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata. These are the different edge location. In Mumbai 10, New Delhi 7, Chennai 7, this type of. In Hyderabad 3, Calcutta 2. These are?
Means itna hi.
हाँ इतना ही है,
No other step.
अभी इतना ही है. ठीक है.
So sir, if anyone trying to get details from Bihar,
So it is going to access from Kolkata, nearby.
okay, means like
हाँ, सो कोलकाता में भी दो है ना, एक मान लो नॉर्थ ईस्ट की तरफ रखा है, एक इसके तरफ रखा है. ठीक है, ईस्ट वेस्ट कर दिया, तो कलकत्ता में भी काम हो रहा है. हाँ आता हूँ. एवरेडी जोन कहाँ होता है? रीजियन में. ये कहाँ होता है? ये कोई रीजियन नहीं चाहिए, ये एक अलग से एक सर्वर है. ठीक है, ये कोई रीजियन नहीं है. हाँ आ रहा हूँ. क्या था? CDN.
जोन के अंदर रीजन के अंदर जोन होता है.
CDN.
EC2 बनाते हैं कोई
Check it. What is CDN in CloudWatch? A content delivery network is a network of interconnected server that speed to web page loading for data heavy application and others. समझ में आया? CDN मतलब एक नेटवर्किंग कनेक्शन रीजियन टू एज लोकेशन, जिससे वेबसाइट का कंटेंट ट्रांसफर होता है. ठीक है, तो CDN कंप्लीटेड, एज लोकेशन कंप्लीटेड. चलो क्लाउड फ्रंट. CloudFront, global content delivery network. So in CloudFront, why it is enable, accelerate, and reliable, this. Just go through this. And 1 TB of data transfer, AWS फ्री टायर. फ्री टायर में कितना तुम ये कर सकते, ये भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो अगर तुम्हारे पास डोमेन है तो. डोमेन नहीं है तो नहीं हो सकता. देन प्राइसिंग एंड अदर्स.
न्यू डोमेन.
हाँ, एक डोमेन होना चाहिए. न्यू ओल्ड कुछ नहीं है, एक डोमेन होना चाहिए. लेकिन आप google.com यूज नहीं कर सकते. आपका डोमेन, आपका एक डोमेन होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो क्रिएट क्लाउड फ्रंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. इट इज जस्ट लाइक ए फॉर्म, यू हैव टू फिल अप इट. एक मिनट याद रखो, मन में रखो. सो इसको you have to fill up it, your domain name, what is your requirement, only India based or only Mumbai based. Suppose your business only Mumbai based, then it is going to copy only Mumbai related that 7-8 edge location, not to other cities. Your business is worldwide, then it is going to copy to worldwide all the edge locations. Worldwide edge location also through Google you check it. Okay, मैंने इंडिया के लिए चेक किया था ना. वर्ल्ड वाइड चेक करो, उसमें मिल जाएगा. क्योंकि वर्ल्ड वाइड करोगे तो यू हैव टू पे मोर. इंडिया वाइज करोगे तो लिटिल बिट मीडियम. ओनली मुंबई बेस मीन्स अगेन लेस, राइट. सो डिपेंड्स ऑन योर बिजनेस, यू हैव टू चूज इट. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट ए फॉर्म, you have to fill up it. You have to fill up as per your requirement. But without proper domain, it is you cannot fill up it. एक डोमेन होगा, एक वेबसाइट होगा, उसको अभी फिल अप करके देख सकते हो. ठीक है. हाँ, अभी बोलो क्या पूछ रहे थे. डोमेन कहाँ से बनाया था? जो प्रोवाइड करता है. कितना पैसा दिया था? क्या पूछ रहे हैं? पहले ये सोचो कि मैं जो डोमेन पूछ रहा हूँ abc.com, ये वो पहले क्या करता है, सर्च करता है कि ये डोमेन है या नहीं है. अगर नहीं है तो बताएगा हाँ इट इज पॉसिबल. ठीक है. अभी पैसा जो ऑप्शन है, .com का एक अलग सा रेट होता है, .in का एक अलग सा रेट होता है, .org का अलग सा रेट होता है. ठीक है. अभी इसको you are registered your domain from GoDaddy. Suppose they are charging 100 rupees. You are from Namecheap, they are charging 90 rupees. It's normal. Okay. So this is your CloudFront concept. Okay. Now one more question is going to arise. Edge location is clear. That means my website, I am a Calcutta based company. My website related problem solved. Okay, website is going to open within 1 second, 2 seconds. But still, my rest of the things, my VPC, EC2 applications, okay, database, everything is where? In Mumbai. Again, I am facing problem. Slow process, right? Latency is there. What is the solution? Solution is local zone. Okay, local zone. Right now, AWS already they provide Calcutta based one zone and Delhi based one zone. Now, any zone means what is the requirement? What is the hierarchy?
Region then zone.
Yes. First region, then zone. Now in Calcutta zone, there was no region. Then how it is possible? So Calcutta zone basically it is going to connect to Mumbai region. But zone is locally available in Calcutta. Right? So what is the solution? Local zone. Local zone, what is this? Same as zone. AP South 1A, AP South 1B. ठीक है. रीजियन में जोन रहता है. अभी मुंबई में रीजियन है, उसके अंदर जोन है, लेकिन कैलकाटा में तो रीजियन नहीं है. तो कैलकाटा जोन कनेक्टेड टू मुंबई रीजियन. दिल्ली जोन कनेक्टेड टू मुंबई रीजियन. हाउ टू चेक इट?
Yes, sir. In place of global.
हाँ, In your VPC, here zones, right? Click here, check it, local zone. Where it is? India Kolkata, India Delhi. It is known as AP South 1. AP South 1 means Mumbai. Then CCU कलकत्ता 1A, क्योंकि एक ही जोन है अभी कलकत्ता में. अगर इन फ्यूचर 2 जोन बनेगा तो 1B. ठीक है. इन दिल्ली ऑल्सो सेम, इन दिल्ली ऑल्सो सेम. क्लियर? हाँ आ सकता हूँ. क्लास हो गया, आ रहा हूँ. ठीक है. So local zone, you have to select and you have to, it is not enabled, you have to enable it, then only you can access it. Okay, clear? Clear? Zone clear. Now
सर अवेलेबिलिटी जोन और ये लोकल जोन किस तरह से डिफरेंट?
कोई डिफरेंट नहीं है. अवेलेबिलिटी जोन जो है वो रीजन में है और लोकल जोन जो है रीजन के बाहर है. जियोग्राफिकल रीजन के बाहर है ना. मुंबई में रीजन है.
नहीं नहीं, बट ये रीजन के अंदर ही हुआ ना सर. आप जैसे कोलकाता बताया, ठीक है.
जियोग्राफिकली लोकेशन वाइज इट इज इन डिफरेंट लोकेशन, कनेक्टेड बाय फाइबर ऑप्टिक. और वो क्या है, वो मुंबई में ही है. जैसे आप अभी यहाँ पर है, ठीक है, आपका ये बैंगलोर क्या है, रीजन है. आप जिस घर में रहते हैं वो आपका क्या है, जोन है. आपके बिहार में भी घर है, वो क्या हो गया, लोकल जोन हो गया. वो कनेक्टेड आपसे, मेंटली फिजिकली कनेक्टेड, लेकिन आपको वहां जाना पड़ेगा. वो आप एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते. वो अब कौन एक्सेस कर रहा है, जो नजदीक में है वहां पर जो है. आप तो एक्सेस नहीं कर रहे हैं ना. वो होगा लोकल जोन और ये हो गया आपका अवेलेबिलिटी जोन. क्योंकि आप कहां पर है, आपका रीजन, रीजन के अंडर में है. ठीक है. और एक ऑप्शन है आउटपोस्ट. चलो, कंपनी हैप्पी, now company happy, website also accessible within minimum time and your local zone also available, everything is available. But still company is not ready to utilize their RDS database. Data is most important. Database in AWS premises. Okay, suppose Calcutta base, in Calcutta local zone everything is there, but company where it is in Calcutta, it's not a small city, right? AWS, their local zone, suppose in one location, from their 10 kilometers distance, company premises is there. Company requirement is I am going to run my RDS, my database in my premises, not in AWS premises. Okay, that means what is my requirement? I am as a company owner, end users, AWS is my client, they are going to provide the service. My request is you please provide your RDS service, your service RDS. RDS is possible in AWS only. Your service RDS in my premises. Okay, client का भी देखो कितना कितना सब चक्कर है. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो डेटा सिक्योरिटी के लिए वो डेटाबेस उसके वहां नहीं देगा, वो विश्वास नहीं कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो मेरा डेटाबेस मेरा ही प्रेमाइसिस में रहेगा, लेकिन मैं आरडीएस यूज करूंगा एडब्ल्यूएस का. तो एडब्ल्यूएस में बना लिया आउटपोस्ट, एडब्ल्यूएस आउटपोस्ट. व्हाट इज एडब्ल्यूएस आउटपोस्ट? एडब्ल्यूएस सर्विस ऑन प्रेमाइसिस. एडब्ल्यूएस सर्विस बेसिकली इन एडब्ल्यूएस प्रेमाइसिस, बट एडब्ल्यूएस सर्विस ऑन प्रेमाइसिस, दैट इज नोन एज आउटपोस्ट. ओके, नहीं डेटा तो है ना यहाँ. हाँ, वो हाँ फिजिकली सब कुछ होगा. ये आउटपोस्ट यू कैन नॉट प्रैक्टिस इट बिकॉज आउटपोस्ट पर्पज फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कॉन्टैक्ट टू कस्टमर केयर. They are going to visit your premises. They are going to provide hardware, software, everything, fiber optic connectivity. Just it is in on premises. Okay, so this is most important question they are going to ask interview time. This outpost, local zone, edge location. Okay, क्लाउड फ्रंट के साथ. फॉर्म भरने के लिए आपको डोमेन चाहिए, एक बार आप देखिए.